Hello friends, this is Ruvia. Welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, yes, after a long time, but yes, I was improvising on my content and a lot of things were going on in my life. So I thought to just take a break, but anyways, I am here back with a bang. Okay, so without wasting time, as from the title you guys must be already knowing, today I am going to tell you and give you few tips about the things which you should always remember before buying any traditional clothes. So yes, without wasting time, let's go into the video. Okay guys, so I have seen a lot of people getting confused. Even I was confused when there was first wedding of my brother at my home. Even I had no knowledge about all these things, but eventually I learned and I would love to share these with you guys. So I hope these are helpful, and if these tips are helpful, then do hit like to this video. I'll make a part 2 of this video. So yes, let's go to tip number 1. Okay, so when you go to buy any traditional outfit, make sure it is of bright color. Yes, pastels are in trend, I agree, but just make sure that it looks good in pictures, because many of the times it happens that in real life your outfit is amazing, it looks really superb, but when you click pictures it looks really bad. And yes, this happens with many people many times. So before buying any of your traditional outfit, make sure it looks good in pictures as well, because eventually शादी में जा रहे हैं तो बहुत सारे clicks होने ही वाले हैं. So I would suggest go for bright colors, but if you don't like bright colors or if you want to go with trend in pastel colors, then make sure that pastel color also looks good while you click pictures and in real life as well. Like हम लोग पैसे तो दे ही रहे हैं, तो फिर दोनों में अच्छा लगना चाहिए ना, in pictures as well as in real life. So yes, I hope this makes sense. Let's go to next tip. When you go to buy any traditional outfit in any of the store, while leaving, once you are done with buying and everything, so there are two options. कोई भी outfit रहता है ना, उस पे sleeves नहीं रहती है. So either you put sleeves or you don't put sleeves, correct? So if you are a kind of person who like with sleeves, it's okay, you can go with sleeves. But if you are a person who likes sleeveless and don't want to put sleeves on your outfit, just make sure you are taking those sleeves along with you at your home, अलग से, because later you never know. See, for example, I'll take my example. What happened is I bought an outfit like 2 years back and उसमें मैंने sleeves नहीं लगाई थी. फिर मैंने वो sleeves अलग से मेरे पास लेके रखी थी घर पे. Then what I did after 2 years, like right now, I just went to the tailor and told him to apply the sleeves. So now my outfit is little changed. Like इतने साल पहन लिया मैंने sleeveless, अभी sleeves डाल दी तो it gives the different look to my outfit, kind of. So yes, when you are leaving from the store, make sure you take those extra sleeves with you and उसको संभाल के रखो घर पे. And yes, similarly the next tip over here is that when you leave from the store, just ask for them to give you the pouch of that outfit. See, Indo Western खरीद रहे हो तो ठीक है, but अगर लहंगा चोली खरीद रहे हो proper वाला, or else a sari or any of the heavy outfit in traditional, then just make sure that you are asking for an pouch. फ्री में कोई भी कुछ भी नहीं देता है, बट इन केस इफ यू आस्क देम कि पाउच दे दो इसके साथ, देन दे डेफिनेटली गिव यू, पर वो पूछना पड़ता है. दैट्स द पॉइंट. एंड इफ दे से नो, इट्स ओके, मतलब हमारा कुछ जाता नहीं है उसमें, बट जस्ट आस्क फॉर दैट पाउच व्हेन यू गो टू बाय एनी ऑफ द ट्रेडिशनल आउटफिट. Okay, next tip over here is that when you are buying any lehenga choli or any अलग से lehenga or any of the thing, just make sure your lehenga should be of subtle color, that it should go in any of the other outfit. See, there are two types of buyers, impulsive buyer and a smart buyer. So I am kind of person who is not an impulsive. मैं बहुत सोच के कोई भी outfit लेती हूँ कि like ये outfit लिया मैंने तो ये इसके साथ भी जाएगा, इसके साथ भी जाएगा, इसके साथ भी जाएगा. So I can wear the same outfit 2-3 times with different combinations. See, I'll just give you examples of two lehenga which I have. see this, I'll put the pictures over here. This is my white lehenga with the blue strap below. So with this, I have to make sure that on above section I wear something blue which is in combination, or I can't take any of the other combination. Similarly, I have this green lehenga which I have worn many times with many other combination, because वो plain green है, उसमें कोई भी strap नहीं है, कोई भी other color का work नहीं है, कुछ भी different color नहीं है. And similarly, as I said, यहाँ पे blue color है, so I get limited options, but when it is only one color, I get more options compared to this. So yes, I hope you got my point and I was able to explain what I am trying to say. कि before buying, always make sure कि you can use this same outfit with other combinations as well. So you can make most use of your traditional clothes, because traditional clothes हम लोग ना बार बार buy करते हैं ना बार बार पहनते हैं. So yes, you just have to think twice before buying any of the outfit. Okay, the next tip is, अगर कोई function के लिए buy कर रहे हो, like अगर बहन की शादी है, भाई की शादी है, or any of your close relatives wedding is there, then before buying always think अभी शादी में पहनूंगी तो बाद में मैं कब पहनूंगी. You are spending this much amount of money, so make sure you are utilizing it. Like अभी भाई की शादी है suppose, तो तभी heavy कपड़े ले लिए, लेकिन फिर we can't wear anywhere. So always make sure you are taking such outfit कि वो बाकी किधर और भी पहन सकते हैं हम लोग. So always ask yourself, ये अभी I'll be wearing in this function, उसके बाद where I can wear this outfit. Always ask this question to yourself before buying any of the traditional outfit. Okay, next tip over here is that whenever you are buying any of the outfit, traditional outfit for girls, always remember that it should be one color and two color. Confusing, right? Like don't go for three colors. That's what I prefer, because मैंने ये देखा है, when you go for any one color outfit, it makes you look more slim. Like अगर लहंगा चोली है तो लहंगा और चोली का कलर सेम है और दुपट्टा का कलर अलग है, or else you can do is लहंगा एंड दुपट्टा का कलर सेम है, चोली का कलर अलग है, चोली एंड दुपट्टा का कलर सेम है एंड लहंगा का कलर अलग है. आई होप यू गेट इट. सो एनीवेज जस्ट गो फॉर टू कलर्स because it looks more subtle and makes you look slim. And yes, later on you can change your dupatta and dupatta color as well, so it gives the different look to your traditional outfit. And what you can do is, if you go for same color, later on you can change the color of choli, or else you can just change the lehenga and you can just mix and match it and wear it. So I hope you get it, like why I am saying is go for same color, because it looks really subtle and amazing. You can even go on internet and have a look, like most of the best designers give you designs as per this combination only, कि ऊपर का और नीचे का color same हो. So you can just check that out. Always avoid three colors. It literally looks bad. But anyway, सबका choice अलग अलग होता है. This is just my opinion. Next tip over here is, traditional outfit लेके तो आ गए घर पे, and then after that you keep it like normally in the cupboard, and after some time there are chances it may get rust, it may get bad, or there are a lot of chances to ruin your those traditional outfits. So I have tip over here, not a tip, just this is something which I do and I would like to share with you guys, is that I store my traditional outfits in this kind of pouch. ये zip वाले pouch आते हैं. So one outfit in this one pouch. So उससे क्या होता है कि I can see all of my outfits. Whenever I want to wear, I just need to remove that pouch and wear that outfit, and then after wash I can keep it again and just store it in the cupboard again. So it is really easy to access. It saves your outfit from getting ruined. And next thing is that if you are traveling somewhere, you just need to take this pouch. And next thing is that उस outfit की सारी चीज़ें, like your dupatta, your other ornaments or anything, you can just keep in this pouch while you are traveling, so you don't need to, so it gets easy and makes your life easy. I just love this kind of pouches. You can also give it a try. Okay, next and important, very important tip over here is that when you are buying any outfit and giving for fitting, just tell them to keep margins, not to cut it totally. Always keep margins, and if you're going for stitching, then also keep margins in all of your outfit, because yes, we are humans. Our size may increase, decrease, our weight may increase, decrease at any point of लाइफ. यस, हम अगर ऐसे भी लोग हैं जिसका वेट आज तक डिक्रीज नहीं हुआ है, इंक्रीज नहीं हुआ है, you never know, it may happen in future. So it's better to keep margins always in all of your outfits. It's very, 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 very important. Okay, last tip over here is that when you are going to buy a lot of outfits for yourself, then make sure you're not buying everything of the latest fashion. Buy something which is in trend always. लाइक ऐसी भी चीज़ें होती है जो हमेशा ट्रेंडिंग में रहती है, और ऐसी भी चीज़ें रहती है विच कम्स ओनली फॉर 1 year, 2 year और 3 year. उसके बाद वो वेस्ट हो जाता है. सो इफ़ यू आर बाइंग 10 आउटफिट्स, 10 ट्रेडिशनल आउटफिट्स एट वंस, देन 5 ऐसे लो जो अभी के ट्रेंड्स है विच विल लास्ट फॉर यू 1 or 2 years. फिर उसके बाद 5 ऐसे आउटफिट लो विच विल लास्ट यू रियली लॉन्ग, जो हमेशा ट्रेंड में रहते हैं. So you can make most use of your traditional outfits, and the money which you have spent is never wasted. So I hope that was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and something useful, and share with your other girls, और जिसकी शादी है उससे तो definitely share करना, because this is very important and useful tips. So do hit like to this video, and I have more such tips. If you want to see, do let me know in the comment section, and I'll make part 2 of this video. And do subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram. You'll get more such tips, daily tips every day. So yes, that was all for today. Do hit like to this video. See you in next video. Bye bye.